First Academy of Bagoolaw yun. Ang nag-hikayat sa akin ay hindi sino, hindi ano. Yung experience ko bilang isang dancer last year. And yung experience na yun is, isa siya sa naging daan ko para maging mas magaling na dancer pa. Ang aasahan naman ninyo ay magiging kakaiba ang aming concept and sana magustuhan niyo ang aming concept.
Ako po si Denver Jugares, 24 years old, tubong Tagalog niya. Ako po ay bagong sibol na choreographer at dating mananayo na din po ng street dances dito sa La Union. At ako po ay dating teacher ng school na ito at ngayon po nagbabalik upang turuan sila ng sayaw ulit for Dinding Festival. Ang concept namin sa taong ito ay kakaiba. Ito ay patungkol sa secret ingredient ng mas lalong magpapasarap pa sa dinigdig. Sisiguraduhin namin na may papakita ang mayamang kultura at tradisyon ng bayang Agogo. We will make it sure na ang performance namin this year ay kakaiba. Hindi lamang siya yung simple, hindi may bagong lasa ng dinigdig ang aming ipapakitang performance this year. Kaya abangan niyo po kami, samahan niyo po kami sa aming paghahanda for this Dinding Festival.
Joining in these festivals and these civic activities, they will develop themselves skill in leadership could be one, discipline could also be one, time management, and marami pang skill na madidevelop in them. St. Mary's Academy Agogo La Union Incorporated empowers excellence through prayer and study. Hashtag, Esmasipag, Esmatapang, Esmatalino, Esmabuhay, Esmalakas, Go, Esma!
Manalon, an Ilocano term for a farmer. Typical Ilocano farmers are known for their diligence, piety, and unrelenting character. They work from dawn to twilight to provide their family's needs, yet never forget to offer their daily toil and yield to the Almighty. Ilocano farmers provide everything for their family. They plow the field with the help of their carabaos and often uses a large stick to dig for a hole to plant seeds. They water these seeds and take care as if their own families until the time of harvest. With the grace of the Almighty, they will be able to produce something to eat for their families. Ladies and gentlemen, let's step in the rhythmic heart of the celebration of culinary traditions. Be immersed in the journey where every step tells a story. Feel the beats and